Hi guys, my name is Reggie and this video is going to be about Ductilate, the new APC cleaner from Labo Cosmetica. Ductilate is excellent for cleaning your bugs, for a pre-wash, your wheels, the outside of the car, and for the inside of the car they took it a step further. With safe cleaning agents, they made it sure that you can clean Alcantara in a safe way, even remove stubborn stains. For this demonstrational purpose only, I'm going to use my finger to remove some dirt so you can see how contaminated the car really is. Here I have my dilution rate ready to spray in the car. Now I'm happy to see that for demonstrational purposes my fingers are already gone. So the proof right here is that Ductilate works magnificently. Now for the total pre-wash of the car, I'm going to use the atomizer with a dilution rate from 1 to 50.
The product does not bother the throat and has a pleasant scent. So, to sum up, a fantastic product, eliminates almost all the dirt, does not stink, good scent, safe on gaskets and on aluminum, does not bother protection and can be used for interiors too.
Okay guys, let's start cleaning the engine bay. I got my dilution ready at 1 to 5.
Even used at a 1 to 5 dilution and in a closed location, it does not bother my throat and it's not aggressive on my hands. Of course I know I should have used gloves, but I didn't, just for the testing the safety of the product, and I don't feel it aggressive even in a strong dilution like this. I do not see rainbows and residues. It's a really good feeling. Dry, and it looks like the plastic is dressed. Look at that finishing. On this kind of historic cars, when you're washing the engine bay with a normal APC, the paint will tend to whiten.
Now, one of the greatest features of this product is that after you've cleaned it, there is no residue. Oh, I would love to go on and on and on and on, but for demonstrational purposes I'm gonna keep it at this section. Let's do the finger test. There we go. Squeaky clean. In this case I'm going to use the dilution of 1 to 20 that's specialized for interiors.
Look, what a beautiful foam. It's easily rinsed for a good finishing. A little bit of culture. One of the main problems you face after washing your car with Ductilate or another APC is the stains that can be formed. For avoiding such problems, it's fundamental to clean and vacuum the fabric very well. Never impregnate the sponge under the seat. This can create halos. The product is ready to be removed with a microfiber cloth, but I wanted to use the steam system. Ductilate can indeed be used with a microfiber cloth with injection, extraction or a steam system. I have no problems with my throat and it's really important.
Little effort, fantastic results. This is how a car seat should look.